Hello, hello. I hate this cough. Hey, got a frog in my throat. Hey, again, you watching Blue Bike and Doyle Shadow with a episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. I read the title. We are posting the new and improved 412s in a S10 box. I've been doing a little work. I got the amp rack built. This is gonna work out a lot better. Oh, run that intro. Talking. So this it's gonna work out a lot better because I ain't got to worry about trying to get. It's still gonna go together like a jigsaw puzzle, adult-sized jigsaw puzzle. Whew. It scares me thinking about it because I got to figure out which goes in first. The console, which probably go in last, but I don't have to drop them down, and I can. The speaker box I know is gonna have to go in first. Wire the amps up, put them on the amp rack, and put this piece I just did. You just watch this. You know, it's supposed to be, it's December 23rd. I'm in short sleeves. Woo! But tomorrow, supposed to be pretty today, but I guess James Spann changed his mind. I hadn't looked at the weather. I know, like, tomorrow, a squirrel? Squirrel? No. Weather. But tomorrow, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, it's supposed to be like 72 degrees. Yeah. But unless it's changed it, because it was supposed to be pretty. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, there's my amp racks, and these, like I said, gonna go together like a jigsaw puzzle. Want the sub amps on the bottom, the 412s on the top, it goes together like so. And then goes in, I got bolts and hose and all. Getting it painted. That's the piece I just showed you. That's gonna go cover it, and all you're gonna see is the slots. But I did go back in. Where'd that come from? Huh. So yeah. I run boats up to the bottom. That's how it's gonna boat down. And yeah. I don't have much felt. I thought I had more than I did, but I don't. The way it goes. So my plan is just to cover the edges so it'll give it a smoother transition. Might look pretty good. I guess I could do this down home. Well, let's just set it up. Ugh. This is pretty heavy. I glued that earlier because I've been working. Y'all, like I said, I worked all day yesterday building them amp racks, trying to get that figured out. It's not entertainment. Gotta be entertainment. I got bolts and screws everywhere. And this is probably not gonna be entertainment. Hopefully you watch it. I didn't do a hobo freight haul, but I got me some industrial strength shop scissors is what these are called. I got those and some Rolock, some more staplers. It's just knick-knack stuff. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Still looking for a Buford. I might find a Buford someday. What am I doing? Another day older and deeper in debt. Woohoo! Been 1 year around the sun. Well, this ain't straight. Alright, we got that like I want it. Thought you six to fall over. Just so I protect the corners a little bit better. Gives it a more smoother look, in my opinion. My opinion ain't worth 2 cents. Oh well. Vinyl time. Vinyl time. You ever had flashy-addish, whatever? I think that's what I got. Is there to pull the muscle or something at the bottom of my foot. But I think it's plantar fasciitis. It's the ligament that runs. It hurts. I'm getting flat foot, I guess. Well, we got that unwrapped. Lost the glue bottle. Oh, Lord. If I were going to trip and fall on the cord. Found it. Oh, God, it hurts. Get up on your toes. Whew. So I kind of probably made a little boo-boo, but we'll figure that out. I should have not went up the sides. Not yet, anyway. Let's see. Probably lid's broke. Great. Staple along the bottom because we want a good edge down there. And there's where the problem can come in. Wash it. Hey! They hauling hay. Boy, that don't look too bad, does it? Hot wrinkle. Wrinkle. Wrinkle dinkle. Wrinkle dinkle. Now let's see if we can extend this sucker up. Heave. Oh. Hole? Who's a hole? I see bumps, and that's why I should have used the belt all the way of it. It'll be alright. It ain't perfect. Always the glue's on the other side. There's ever a little. That's why I should have used felt all the way through it. See, the felt makes it, gives it, you don't see all the little bumps, and if you don't sand it smooth, which I didn't. Because I figured I was going to use felt all the way down it. But anyway, we'll make the best of it. I'm going to do this corner. Fold it down, and then that looks good. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Of course, my nail gun's way over there. Staple gun. My nail gun, air nail gun, is too strong, and it knocks through the vinyl. And I try to use low air pressure, and it still won't do it. I'm not happy with it. Not happy with it. But I'm gonna let it run. Ladybugs. Alright, it don't look too bad. It's gonna be setting up. And they're only gonna be like 2 inches above, or inch above the glass. So you won't see the staples on the back. You won't see them on the bottom. But I got this big hole right here I gotta cut out. I could just cut it back to here. Now, okay. Here's the key, I guess, is to cut it so you can have room to. See, this is going to go in here like so. It won't go in that far, but it will sit right here, and it's going to be black with 2 holes in it. Well, the amp, so you can see kind of see the amps, but you're going to see nothing because the console is going to be right here, but just gives a little touch, you know, black and white. Panda. Oh, did I say something? Everybody be kung fu fighting. P.O. Nobody gonna see that. It's gonna be my head. I like it. Let me see. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Ah, what you think? See, when that gets black, we'll throw some black on it. Black. You see. Kind of gives it a, penguin look. Tuxedo. That's what it's going for. Black and white tuxedo. That's what they call it. Tuxedo interior. Well, that's all I'm going to do today because I'm feet hurting. All right. All right. I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. This is far to be towards the end of prostate. Say I had to quit giving them. But anyway, all I'm going to do right now. Like I said, my feet hurt. My foot. You can go check out that video there if you want to watch some more videos of me. Make fun of the way I do stuff. And that one there. And hit that subscribe button over here. It's free. Maybe I'll get to 2,000. Ben from Bike Spear and Brews 18K. Wow. Wow. Anyway, run an intro or outro. I don't have an outro. Later.